Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. In today's video, we're going to see how to work a very trendy looking bridal design, for which in the first line I'm using these kind of flat beads. If you don't get the same design, you can use any beads, preferably flat. So I have my first color, which is the contrast color of this pallu, dark pink. I have taken 8 strands for today's design, and I'm going to use the same crochet hook, number 10. So the right side of the pallu is facing towards me, and I'm going to start off by fixing the knot here, right in the corner. And then I'm going to work my chain base. So that will be 4 chains and 1 single crochet. So we are going to work 3 blocks like this. Again, 4 chains, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 single crochet. So now I have 3 blocks of 4 chains. So here I am going to add my first bead. Slide your bead like this, tighten the thread, lock it with a chain stitch, and then see where it reaches and work a single crochet to fix the bead. Now before I add my second bead, I am going to work 5 blocks of 4 chains. So in the beginning I have worked 3 blocks. Now I am going to work 5 blocks. So I worked 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I am going to add my second bead. So this is how you will finish the foundation line on the sari from one end to the other end. So in the beginning we'll just have 3 blocks, and in between 2 beads. All throughout the sari you will have 5 blocks. So this way we'll finish off our baseline, and then we'll see what to do in the next step. So after finishing the baseline, we'll turn the fabric and we'll be working back on this. So I'm just showing a little bit on the sari here. So once I turn the fabric, I'll continue working 4 chains. So 2, 3 and 4, and then do 1 single crochet inside this single crochet. Again 4 chains, single crochet inside the single crochet. So since we have 3 blocks here, we'll just repeat it 3 times, and then around this bead we'll work around 6 to 7 chains depending on the size of the bead you're using. So this is 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So I worked 7 chains. Again work a single crochet inside the single crochet. So for the rest of the base it will be the same. We'll continue working 4 chains, single crochet, 4 chains, single crochet. Only when you reach this bead you will work 7 chains. I've reached this point and I have made 1 single crochet. So my second step is complete. Now we have this chain base around the bead to work our scallop. Now I'm going to repeat the same step, 4 chains and 1 single crochet inside this single crochet, and I'm going to repeat it one more time. After which I will work 2 single crochets here in the next block, that is the block that is next to the bead, and then start working double crochets. So depending on the size of the bead you will decide your double crochet count. So I worked 15 double crochets and this is how it looks right now. So the block that is next to the bead, I'm going to work 2 single crochets. And then work 1 single crochet inside the single crochet and continue 4 chains and a single crochet. So that's how this step will continue. So I'm going to work 4 chains and single crochet 2 more times, and the block that is next to the bead I will work 2 single crochets and then start working my arch. I have finished working the arch and I have also worked 2 blocks of 4 chains here, and in the end I'm going to trim this thread because I want to use my second color. So whatever is there on the hook, I'm just going to pull it out like this, and this is where I'll add my gold color. So holding both the colors together, I'm going to make 2 knots. Make sure the knots are in the corner. So after adding the next color, we'll again turn the fabric. Start from this single crochet here, the last stitch. Pull a loop and make 1 chain, and then 4 chains and single crochet again. And in this block we'll work 2 single crochets. So 1 single crochet inside this single crochet, and in the next block I've worked 2 single crochets, after which I'll start working my double crochets. My first 2 double crochets will go into the first stitch, and then I'm going to work 3 chains, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch I'm going to work 2 double crochets. Again 3 chains, 1 2, in the third stitch 2 doubles. So you're not counting the stitch that you've already worked in. From the next 1 2 you're going to skip, and in the third one you will work 2 doubles. So 3 chains and last 2 doubles in the last stitch here. And then I'm going to work 2 single crochets in the next block. 1 single crochet inside the single crochet. 1 2 3 4 chains and single crochet inside the single crochet again. So in this step ideally we should have 1 2 3 4 and 5 times 3 chains, and this is how it should look. This is the right side. So we're going to continue this step in the same way. I'll do 2 singles here and then start doing my doubles, 2 doubles in one stitch followed by 3 chains. After which I will change the color to green and then work my final step. After finishing this step, I have worked 1 single crochet here. I've trimmed the gold color thread and I have joined my third color, which is green. Again, changing color is completely optional. If you want, you can change. If not, you can continue in the same color. So I'm going to start off in the last single crochet here. Now this is going to be my last step, so I'm going to work 3 single crochets here in this gap, in the 4 chain gap. So after 3 single crochets, I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the next one, skip the next one, and then work 1 more in the next stitch, and then work 1 single crochet on the double crochet. So I've worked 1 single crochet on the very first double crochet, after which I will start working my double crochets here in the 3 chain gap. So in this 3 chain gap, we'll work 4 to 5 double crochets. So this is 3 and 4, 5. So after working 5 double crochets, I'll work 5 chains, turn the pallu and fix it on the very first double crochet. So after I fix it using a single crochet here, I'm going to chain 1 and turn the pallu again. Now here we'll add these round beads. So each time I will slide 1 bead and work 1 single crochet. Again, push 1 bead, 1 single crochet. If in case you are using smaller size beads, then you can add a few extra beads. I finished working all 5 petals and this is where I am. So like I started here with 1 single crochet on the first double crochet, I'm going to end it the same way. So 1 single crochet on the last double crochet here. I'm going to skip the next stitch, and in the next single crochet I'm going to work 1 single and 1 single in the next, and then 4 chains and 1 single inside this single. Skip the next one, single into the next stitch, and then 1 single on the first double, and then we'll start working our petals. So working the petals is the exact same way. After this I'm going to add tassels here, and then I'll show you guys the final look. This is the final look of the design. After finishing the crochet part, I have trimmed the loose ends and I have glued it on the back side, after which I have also added tassels here. The length of the tassels is slightly longer than usual because the arch is also bigger. I thought if the arch length and the tassel length is same, the design will look much better. So that's the reason I have left it a little longer than usual. So this is how it looks. If you want the design to be more grand, then you can add stone chain and ball chain as per your choice anywhere you want. But according to me, adding it on this pink part will be nice. But otherwise, this is how it looks. You can add some small jharkhans on these petals to make it look even grander. So this design was requested by one of my subscribers and her name is Suman. I hope, Suman, you like this video, and yeah, in case you guys like the video, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also subscribe to my other channel, Kanika Reddy Vlogs. If you have any requests, please WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description box below. So that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.